Upgrade your space with Mosaicowall PU backsplash tiles, the premium evolution of DIY renovation. This is far beyond a standard vinyl sticker. We use a layer of high-performance polyurethane compound to achieve the stunning depth and gloss of authentic glass or ceramic. Unlike flat decals, these tiles have a raised 3D gel surface that give them realistic depth. It's a thermoset material. It won't curl or shrink over time like cheap contact paper. It's rated for temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, making it perfectly safe for stove-side installation. This is a high-performance laminate system. Every millimeter is packed with structural integrity, featuring a protective PU shield. Think of it as precision engineering for the modern home. Much like a high-end smartphone, we've traded unnecessary bulk for streamlined power. At just 1.5 to 2 mm, these flexible tiles provide industrial-grade protection and a flawless fit around outlets without the heavy footprint of traditional materials. These tech tiles have elastic memory. As your house breathes or settles, the PU absorbs structural vibrations and thermal expansion effortlessly. Traditional tiles are like glass, hard until they're hit, then they shatter. Mosaicowall tiles are impact elastic, tough, waterproof, and designed to move with your home. With an expansive library of colors and textures, you have the creative freedom to match any vibe, from ultra-modern minimalism to warm farmhouse charm. Mosaicowall allows you to have a designer home today and update your look anytime without ever needing a sledgehammer. Elevate your home with the ultimate shortcut to a total space transformation. Mosaicowall, the new age decor.